This device is ready.
Alexa, ask Hive what the temperature is in the house.
Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to Hive. I'm here to help you control your Hive devices. I can boost your heating or pop your lights on or off. You can jump right in by saying, Alexa, tell Hive to put the heating on. If you want to know more about what I can do with Hive, you can say, Alexa, ask Hive what I can say. So what can I do for you?
Ask Hive what's the temperature inside.
Sure, it's 20.9 degrees right now. The heating isn't on, as it's set to 20 degrees.
So basically this is one thing that I wanted to see if it works. It does work with the Echo Dot, so obviously it's going to work with this. Now let's see if something else is going to work.